Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rontrades, and we're back here with another trading breakdown video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be going over my weekly trade breakdown for the week of August 15th through August 19th. Now, coming into this week, guys, I was bearish on EU. I did take two setups, guys, one on EU and one on Usdcad for this week. So my first setup here is EU. Coming into this this day on Wednesday, August 15th, we had high impact news at 8:30. So I came into the market with a bearish mindset with the euro dollar. I was bullish on the DXY, so that means I'm looking for the euro dollar to go wear down. All right, so basically when I came to the markets around like 7 o'clock, 6:30 was when I really come to the market, since I was trading New York session all the way through. Right here we had a nice shift in market structure here at 7 a.m. Right here before we went up here, we ran slightly buy side liquidity and we shifted down, rebalance back up here to fill in this imbalance here, and then we show more market structure shifting here off this 7 a.m. candle. Let me delete this here. So right here off this candle here, we show market structure shift. So I wait for price to, go ahead and show this displacement here. As price came back up inside of this last up close candle here, the body, the open, and the wick. I used the wick and the open for my order blocks now. So if I wanted to mark it off like this, it was basically like this. So this would now be considered my order block. Obviously, this whole candle is my order block. But like I say, if you're entering on a nice high probability order block, it's probably not going to go all the way up there unless it's just some crazy high impact news. So right here, guys, like I say, I waited for displacement here. So we had displacement at 7 a.m., 7:15, and 7:30. Price came back up here at what time? 8 o'clock, right before the news, high impact news driver came out. So we drove up right here inside of this bearish order block. I took an entry here. Let me show you right here. I had an entry here. I had an 8 pip stop loss on the money, and I was targeting right down here. I'm gonna be honest, I captured this whole 1 to 3. As price ran down here with the 8:30 news, I did capture 1 to 3, about 23 pips off this setup here, entering off the bearish order block here. So yeah, that was my euro dollar position here. So like I say, on this position here, I banked about 0.5% here on my 200k 200k my forex funds challenge account. I'm still in my first phase. Like I said, I will update you guys more, but I'm not going to show too much of the challenge because I don't want to put any type of pressure on me. I want to trade scratch free. But I will, obviously show you guys sometimes when, some of the profits that I make on it. But until I actually pass it and, start making withdrawals, I'm not going to show too much of it. So right here, guys, like I said, that was my euro dollar setup. So to go to my USD CAD. USD CAD here, guys, I'm going to be honest, I missed this setup. I did lose this setup here. It's one of my losses that I took this week. And I just want to show you guys, kind of my mindset here on this setup. So let's just blow it up a little bit. I don't want too much on the screen, though. All right, cool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete here. I'm going to delete this 1 to 2 because I was just using this as I traded. I'm just going to do it like this. Okay. So coming into today, guys, on USD CAD, we had slightly medium impact news at 8:30 for the CAD. I think it was like retail sales, if I'm not mistaken myself, for the CAD. It doesn't really matter about what the news says, but yeah, we had high impact news for the CAD. So I was looking for manipulation. I was looking for price to come down, take out these buy stops here, and run inside of this bullish 1 hour order block. Also, we took out a swing low. If you guys watch ICTO videos, he states that a high probability order block is when we take a swing high or a swing low and then run inside of it. What is right here? Swing low. This candle here is lower than this candle here. This candle here is higher in it, so it's gonna create a swing low. Price comes down, takes out what? Swing low. What's my narrative before price? What's my narrative before price takes out the swing low? I'm bullish. I'm looking for manipulation to come down and to continue to keep going hard to take out the buy side liquidity. That was my narrative here for Friday. So we came down here, we took out swing low. So my checklist, I checked that off. We ran inside of the order block. I entered, I checked that off. I put my stop loss right here below this low here. I wasn't expecting price to get down this low. But as you can see, I did get hit with a liquidity grab here. And price ran up from my targets, which is something that I cannot control right here. So that's why I say I'm very glad I lost this setup here, because I want you guys to understand sometimes, guys, it's just literally some things you cannot control in this market. And this is one of the things here. So came down, I entered right here. I did my job as entering, entering on my setup. Price came down, took out my stop loss, literally just wicked me out, and then, you know, continue to keep going up. So like I say, I'm very glad that happened, so I can understand, you know, where I went wrong at. And I could have had a 10 pip stop loss, but like I say, it's no point, it's no need for me to have a big stop. I'm not expecting price. If price is coming all the way down here, we're not. I mean, it's like, why are we doing all of that? So that's why I had my stop right here, right below this low here. I could have put it, you know, like I said, guys, it's very hindsight. I could have put it right here, right here, right here. That's easy to say, but in the moment, in the actual moment of trading, I felt like my stop loss should be right here, and the market thought otherwise, took me out, and then it ran for buy side liquidity, back in for about a 1 to 3 here, almost 1 to 4 days. So yeah, this was my day. I mean, this was my week this week, guys. Yeah, so I went 1-1. I did come out on top. I only lost $800 off this setup here, so it wasn't really too much, nothing to cry about. That's not even 0.5% of my account. So yeah, like I say, lost $800 here, made about 1,300. Almost like 0.5% on that euro dollar setup, so I still came out on top for this week. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something from me. Remember, guys, I'm going to continue to keep bringing you quality content each and every week. Yeah, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.